Hey guys, and good morning and welcome back to another vlog. I'm trying to not show the background at all because my room is currently a bomb hit because we're still doing renovations here at the house. And of course my room is the room where everything has been left. It's just the look of it because my room's closest to the kitchen. Fitting I know. But yeah, so there's loads of boxes and everything, so even filming is really hard at the minute. But I'm not going to complain because it's too much at the minute to be happy about and to be grateful for. Yeah, this is where I'm at the minute, and I'm going over to Maze in a couple hours because we're going to film a video. It's something that's so different to my channel, but it's also supposed to be a bit of fun, you know, because we want you to introduce you guys to Maeve because she is just the funniest, the most amazing, the most just coolest person I know. So I really want you guys to meet her, and yeah. That's where we're going later. Oh. Hey guys, I don't know if you've seen my video this week where, hold on one second now, where Maeve gave me a transformation. If you haven't seen that, you should definitely check that out. That was so fun to film. And just as a background, no, I won't be wearing makeup. No, I'm not trying to be a beauty guru or whatever. That was just for a bit of fun, you know, just to, I don't know, experiment around with just different things. And I do really hope you enjoyed it, and yeah. Hey guys, so I'm here in Sligo now, and I'm just in the kitchen making my dinner, and I was like, you know what, why don't I show you guys what I'm making? So I'm making this really easy pasta dish. It's also vegan, so it's good for you. And I'll kind of show you what I've got so far. So in here I've got the pasta cooking away or whatever, and then here is the veg. So I mushrooms, peppers, onions. Then I got this stuff as well. It's a mix of other vegetables, so I'm gonna put that in as well. So yeah, I'm just back from college now. It was grand. We're actually doing group work again this week, and it's so poorly organized, you guys, it's insane. So I was only there for about 2-3 hours maximum, and then I came home and I was starving, so I decided to make some food, and then later I'm going to edit the video. So but yeah, I ordered some more stuff for, I suppose you probably already know, but I'm doing up a kitchen, so that's what the big project is I'm doing. So I got some more supplies for it. I'm not going to say what I'm getting because I still want the whole thing to be a surprise at the end, because I'm going to do a 2-part series for it. So I'm going to kind of behind the scenes, and then I'm going to do the reveal then. So I'll be all in 1 week, so that's taking up a lot of my time at the minute. And a lot of my energy. But oh god, I should probably start frying this stuff. Okay, right. I actually don't think I put enough of the pasta, so it's going to be the ratio to pasta to vegetables. It's going to be more veg than pasta, but you know what, I'm okay with that. I prefer veg anyway, but yeah guys, honestly let me know about your opinions on the video I put up on Wednesday. Is that like, did I step over the line a bit? Just let me know, because I really enjoyed it. I thought it was really fun and funny. I haven't edited it yet at this stage, but I presume when it's up it'll be good, because I won't be putting it up. But yeah, let me know in the comments, because I'll be very interested to see. I was actually gonna close off this vlog this morning, but then I was like, nah, something else might happen during the week that I wanted to document, so I decided to keep it going. I don't even know how long this is gonna be. This is like, probably, I don't know, it's not gonna be a long vlog anyway. I don't wanna do like a long vlog because I find them boring, but yeah. Hey guys, I'm actually going to close off this vlog right here. I really hope you enjoyed. Please hit that subscribe button and also hit that little notification bell just to be notified whenever I upload. And I will speak to you in the next one. Bye.